validate yung aming mga dokumento at ang magpapatotoo po nito yung tinanggal sa pwesto na si Deputy Ombudsman Arthur Carandang. You can also invite him. Pero ito po yan. Nakita nyo po kanina nung sinabi ni Chairman Suarez na kung pwede siyang pumirma, ano hong ginawa niya, nanggulo siya. No? Pero baka pwedeng ibalik natin dun sa issue na pipirma siya ng waiver. O baka ngayon nagtutulog-tulugan naman ho. So, pwede po natin papirmahin ng waiver pa rin.
Yes, Senator Trillanes, we'll get to that item later. So I gave you your chance to speak, and I will now recognize Congressman Sindanya. Yes, Congressman Sindanya. Thank you.
May I interrupt?
Mr. Chairman.
Just one moment. I was not sleeping. I was praying
I hope
for his soul.
I hope I was included in your prayers, former President.